So right now, hello and welcome back to my another new video. And today in this video I am going to talk about how to make a English sentence easily. So first of all, I just want to say that for beginner who are really want to learn or practice English, I think this video will be very helpful for you. So first of all, if you make any kind of sentence, you have to know the structure of sentence. First of all, I just want to say that for beginner who are really want to learn or practice English. So don't wait for it. Let's go start. So today in this video we will learn used to, how to make sentence in English by used to. Suppose when I learned English or practice English, please, as you can see that behind this is whiteboard, and when I learned or practice English on the whiteboard, I used to practice English on this whiteboard. I used to go there, play with my friend, and then I used to sing a song in this room, and I used to try to practice English in this room. So